want to jump in.
There's nothing you can do, Austin.
You're gonna go down. I'm like another dog getting the shit floating around.
No. It's ice shell stuff. It's not. Yeah.
They're calling everybody assholes.
Two of us, they just tied up and spawned. I don't know about that mountain. I'm trying to whip around. Really? Mark here? Yeah. How long have you worked? I'm gonna get my phone.
Are you going to the boat, Austin?
No, I'm getting my phone.
In the boat?
Where's it gonna go?
Smalley's gonna smash against the dock. Told you it's gonna be a shit show.
Yeah, great. Dude, this shit could make it on like World Stars or something.
I hope I have enough memory on my phone.
I just left a message with White.
Who's White?
Brian.
Oh yeah.
They've got a rescue service. They've got a recovery team. What is this guy doing? He's gonna sink it. Got to turn around and pull it into the waves.
Yeah.
For one thing.
I would take it right here, beach it.
Well, that's what they need.
Pump the water out of it. Pump the water out of the engine. You'll be fine.
Yeah.
I sank my boat lots of times.
Did you?
Oh fuck yeah.
You learned fast not to turn the ass end into the waves.
Yeah. We used to go out and hang out at young seniors, and you always park this way.
Yep. That was rough there too.
Oh god.
I mean, a bigger boat like yours would be fine like that, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Where are they taking it?
Did they pull the drain plug?
I don't know. Yeah, where's he gonna go?
Beach and Lakeport.
Look, he might have enough water out of it to float the fucking thing.
It's going under. Because it creates a vacuum behind it, just like the bed of your truck does.
Yeah.
Sucking the water right in over the stern.
That's what I'm saying. I ain't gonna sink my fucking boat.
Dude, my mom just went AWOL. Huh? AWOL. Your mom is 6 times and 15 messages.
It's like, where's he gonna go?
Because there's a lot of water in it. Want to go out there and stand on it?
Kudos for trying to be a good sport.
It'll float like that forever, I guarantee it.
Well, not forever, but yeah, for a while. Because there's got to be, aren't there air vents up in the bow somewhere?
Not usually. That's a boat, that hole's very similar to my jet boat, and it's pretty damn sealed.
So it would leak around
where the rivets are for the rubber rail, very slowly.
Yeah.
And then it's got so much foam in it.
And they don't got a rope strong enough to put on it. You gotta have a tow rope now.
Yeah.
Or a cable.
Yeah, that's a clamp. Clearlake abalone.
Clearlake abalone. There's big ass clams over there at the state park. Is there? Oh yeah. I was getting them last fall.
I'm glad it's 30 years old. Why?
Can I get a hand? Can I get a hand?
Now he's stuck in the middle of the damn lake. Yeah, but now he's stuck out in the middle of the damn lake.
So we left a guy behind out here. This is the plan.
Yeah, but
I got worried about that.
he should be able to swim all the way. That guy's down here. Yeah.
Hey, who's got a boat?
So now we're on our way to save the guy in the water. Is he just gonna drive forever?
No, he's gonna stop. That's right. Next to him, I don't know. The plug ain't on. There, you gonna jump?
You gotta get up in front of him.
He's gotta know that the water, I will jump in it. The plug's not out of it. Hey, I didn't pull the plug out. Just keep going, don't stop. Plug out. I gotta jump in and pull the plug. Yeah, no, just keep going, just hold steady pace. So, hey, circle me or whatever, I gotta get...
It's too heavy, you can't turn. Dan, you're gonna have to get out in front of him?
No, I'm gonna pull the plug. I'm gonna let this guy go for what he's gonna do.
You're gonna miss it though, it's going too fast.
Hold on. Get ahead of him a little bit.
Oh shit. Godspeed, sailor!
Good luck. Good luck in finding the plug. Let's drop the plug.
Best video. Yeah, right, dude. Well, he might have an idea. There's the sheriff right there. Sheriff boat.